Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show here how you union in Figma. This is going to be really about to be satisfied with the progress. This is said to be really important to deal with everything that you want through the moment that we can actually do. Whether this going to be about to go with the progress that you're gonna see over the way that we can start to know the main thing that we can actually see whether if it's ready about to do that when it's ready available. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about start to go over the progress. Would like to see through the way that we want, through the side that we can actually understand how this can be really important to be with that, actually to do that. And this gonna be about to start to go to click here on a certain object here and a certain circle, for example. So that's gonna be about to start to go to control and hold the control. Now click on three dots here. Maybe that's gonna work with here, and then click on union. Now you're gonna see on the layer object here, still about to go to have some kind of union things that is about that. So that's all about to help you.